I got the happiest mail of all today, my Silhouette Cameo 4, and I haven't opened it yet. I've only ever seen, I saw like a prototype, and then I saw them at their little launch party. So I have my little helper Harper can come and help me.
If you want me to.
Yeah. And we're gonna open it and see what all comes in it.
That's cool, Mom.
Ooh, all these.
Look.
See all of these awesome projects that people have
Mama.
made. And then we will see what all comes in here. Let's see.
Ooh, there's this.
There's this.
And what's this?
This is a
Oh, it's one of those things.
cutting mat. And you can actually cut much larger than this. It's always gonna be 12 inches wide, but you can cut much longer than this, and you can get a cutting mat that is 12 by 24 as well. Okay, so now this looks like it's got, just a minute, this looks like it's got all of the cords and everything, and blades, all sorts of stuff.
I feel
Let's see.
a cameo.
Holy cow. Okay, we'll look at that in just a minute. Okay, just a minute. We'll take out the whole thing at once. She's so excited. She is my crafty girl too. Do you want to come over here?
I ripped it a little.
Okay.
Not the actual cameo.
She is my crafty girl too, so she is just as excited about this as I
Not
am.
maybe just as,
Well.
because I can't use it.
She helps me come up with some fun ideas that we do.
We can pull these things apart.
Yeah, you can pull it off.
You gotta hold on tight. Hold on tight.
Hang on. You're pulling.
There, over the other side. Hi.
Okay.
That's the toy. Hurry up for a second.
So, wait till you see this beautiful color. Check out how gorgeous this color is. This is the Midnight Black, and I just had to have black because I love how chic black looks.
Can I do the other side?
It looks like such a fancy piece of machinery. So this one opens this way rather than on the Cameo 3 it just flicks open. This one actually pushes back, which I think is really awesome as well. We'll take this stuff out.
Mom, I've got a question.
Yes.
You know that thing on the box, that piece of cardboard on the box that like has a bunch of stuff on it?
Oh, like this?
Can I have that part? I just like it. And that could help me get some ideas.
Yeah, all sorts of things you can do. Okay, we got everything all taken off, and
There's
now
the power button.
yeah, there's the power button. So I showed you how it opens and closes with this part, but then it also has this really cool feature that you can keep your blades in here. And back here, well actually up here, there is this, I shouldn't say most excited, there's a lot of things I'm really excited about, but this is a roll feeder. So you would put your roll of vinyl right here, and then it goes on either side and comes through this little slot to feed it in, so that when you cut without a mat, it's not moving around. And that's why a lot of people get really scared of doing it, because it can roll around, but this is going to prevent that from happening, which is amazing. So there's that. And then back here,
It kind of opens like this thing does. Like, you know how it like slides out?
yeah, that's true.
Like
It opens like a Peppa Pig toy.
that.
Okay, then on the back here, it has this really cool feature that I need to be able to see to actually do it. But back here, it has a spot where you can slide across to cut that vinyl so it's super straight, which is amazing. Also, for when you are cutting without vinyl, this part can just move across, and before it was kind of hard to do, and now this time it's really, really easy and can be done one-handed. It also has 2 places for tools, blades and stuff, and I will refer to this. So you have more cutting blade options. You can cut with an auto blade, a rotary blade, a craft blade, and a punch tool. So there are tons of different options of crafts and different things that you can do. I am actually really excited about that rotary blade and the craft blade to do those thicker cuts. So in here, it comes with our auto blade. And the nice thing with this is I hated the auto blade before with my Silhouette 3 because when it would do it, it would go like a bazillion times and then come over. It does not do that anymore. So I am happy to report that you're not going to be super annoying whenever you use this. And then these other pieces are so that you will be able to use the blades from, and the, like your pens and stuff, your sketch pens, you'll be able to use those from the old models. And this will make it so it'll fit into your new machine. I am so excited to start getting this to good use. I don't feel like I'll have as much of a learning curve just because I've been working with Silhouette machines for so long, but I will definitely let you know as I'm learning new things about it, and I'm so excited to get started. And I've got my little crafter here to help me. She's so excited. She actually said she wants to keep just this part of the box so it can give us some inspiration. So anyways, I just had to tell you about my new fun early Christmas present. I am very, very excited about it.